First case, 499067, State versus John Smith. Attorney, James Anders III.
Yes, Judge, I am here. Jonathan, go ahead and say something so that the judge can see you.
Yes, sir. This is John Smith.
Good morning to you, gentlemen. Mr. Anders, what are your intentions this morning?
I'd like to speak to a prosecutor. I believe we've done what's necessary, what they had asked. So I'd just like to speak to a prosecutor.
You're number one to confer.
Yes, sir.
573-829, State versus Jonathan Medina. David Garcia. David Garcia, attorney. No response. Jonathan Medina. Absent. 619-188, State versus Danielle Sexton, attorney. Abel Dominguez.
Yes, Your Honor, I'm present today.
I mean, sorry.
I believe,
Is that Miss Sexton?
Yes, I'm here. I'm sorry.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Abel?
yes, Judge. The state has made an offer to us. I gave it to my client late last week, and she would like 2 or 3 weeks to think it over, and then we will decide whether to accept the plea or to push this for a trial. So I would ask for a 2 to 3 week reset, whatever is best for the court.
Well, let's
Yeah,
give you
please.
2 weeks.
Thank you.
Recall 2 weeks. Patricia, good morning, Patricia.
Good morning,
Thank
Judge.
you so much.
It's gonna have to be December 2nd.
Okay, that's 4 weeks. All right, you guys got it made then, huh?
All right. December 2nd, will do, Judge. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
May we
Okay.
be excused, Judge?
Yes, sir, you're excused.
Thank you, Judge.
620.
thank you.
You're welcome.
Have a good day.
620-512, State versus Rick Garza, attorney. Shannon Luck. Shannon Luck, no response. Rick Garza, absent, although it says he's got pre-trial diversion. 621-046, Kevin Cuellar, attorney. Robert Barons, this shows to be a fugitive.
I'm here, Your Honor. And I've tried to call Mr. Barons this morning, and I have not received a response yet.
Mr. Cuellar, be aware that there is a warrant for your arrest, so you need to get with Judge Barons and get this worked out.
Yes, sir.
623-098, State versus Deanna Ryan, attorney. Scott Martinez. Deanna Ryan or Diana Ryan. Absent. Scott Martinez, no response. 629-680. State versus Dinesh Dantapalli.
I'm here, Your Honor.
Are
I'm
you?
here, Your Honor.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Your attorney is Jeb Locke.
Yes.
And he called, Judge, he's running late.
All right, we have contact with him, sir. That means that he knows you're here and he will be getting with the court.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. 632-674. Alex Ardoin, and the attorney is Patrick Montgomery.
I'm here, Judge. I don't see Mr. Ardoin. If you circle back around through the docket, I won't leave until I get permission from the court.
Thank you, Pat. Good to see you.
Thanks, Judge.
634-216, State versus Rodney Pena, attorney. Adam Crawshaw. Rodney Pena is marked absent.
No, Your Honor, I'm here.
Well, you better answer. And Adam Crawshaw, no response at this time. Have you heard from him, sir?
I got a text from the, I've got a text from the office to log in, so I'm sure he might be running late.
All righty. Six, 3, 5, 2, 1, 2, State versus Michelle Dennison.
I'm here.
Attorney Julia Hernandez. Ms. Dennison, good morning to you. Have you heard from your attorney?
No, not yet, but I will message her.
All right, thank you, ma'am. 635, 605, and 606, 2 cases. State versus Robert Mahan, attorney Ivan Barrera.
Good morning, Judge. I'm present.
Good morning. How about your client?
Robert, are you available? Can you mute yourself? I can't see if he's on there, Judge.
Well, for right now, he's absent. Make sure he checks in.
Yes, Judge, we'll do.
63773, State versus Brian Contreras Perez, attorney Robert Marr. Brian Contreras Perez is marked absent. Robert Marr, no response.
I'm here, sir.
Who is answering?
Oh, Brian Contreras?
Okay, well, somebody's got to answer for you, mister. If you don't answer, I'm gonna mark you absent.
Sorry.
639976, State versus James Franco, attorney George Sharman II. George Sharman, no response. James Franco. Something tells me something about that, Patty. Marked absent, didn't he? Is this a recall?
I'm not sure, Judge.
642057. That's set for 2 p.m., a Zoom plea. And that is Uriel Angel Aviles. Attorney is Sofia Martinez. We'll recall it at 2. 64241, pardon me, 642473. State versus Scott Ivan, attorney. David Volk.
Morning, Judge. How are you?
I am well. How about you?
I am present. What case was that? I'm sorry, I have a few set today.
That is 642473. Scott Ivan.
Okay, Judge, if I could confer on that case, I spoke with him yesterday. He should be on the Zoom.
Good morning, Your Honor.
He's present, Judge. I'd like to confer.
Okay, David, you're number 2 to convert.
Thank you, Judge.
646862, State versus Adela Pesina, attorney Robert Marr. Adela.
I'm here.
Good morning, Pesina.
Good morning.
You sound very, very young. I hear you. Robert Marr is not responding at this time. 646883, State versus Chris Bennett, attorney Shannon Locke.
I'm here, sir.
Good morning, Your Honor. Mr. Bennett has felonies pending. If we could get those reset, or his cases in here reset, I would appreciate it.
We're going to reset you for 60 days. He's got a mess of case. You're both excused. Take care.
Thank you, Your Honor. I think I have another client on your docket, so I'll stick around. But Mr. Bennett, you're excused.
Tell me which one it is. I'll call it now. Shannon?
Yes, it's
It's on page 1. Page 1, Judge.
What is it?
Rick Garza.
I think you missed that one. I think I called it earlier. Let me see. Which one was it, Patty?
620512, page 1.
620.
Ridgeway, it's
512.
family violence case.
All right, you're now present. your client is not present. That is Rick Garza. Get him
We can get a hold of him, Your Honor, and we'll get him
Make
over
sure you
here.
do. Make sure you get him checked in now. What are you gonna
Yes,
do?
sir.
Anything with that?
If I could confer, that would be great.
Hey, Laura, I emailed you an agreed non-disclosure this morning.
Who are we getting all that chatter from?
It was Shannon, Judge.
Okay. Mr. Locke will be number 3 on the conferring. 646-924, State versus Christopher Castañeda. David Volk.
Good morning. Yes, sir. I'm here.
Judge, I already put him in a breakout room.
All right. And David, does he have any other cases?
I'm not sure.
Okay, we'll find out. 647-480. And that is Stephanie Barrera, attorney, George Manning.
Good morning, Your Honor. Myself and Ms. Pereira are present. I believe I saw her on here. Stephanie, can you say your presence to the court, please?
Yes, I'm here.
Okay.
Good morning, ma'am.
So, Judge, this case, we applied for pretrial diversion about a month ago. We're still waiting to see whether or not that's been accepted. I was just going to ask if I could confer with the state today just to double check some of the conditions on that.
All right. You're on the list to confer.
All right. Thank you, Your Honor. Appreciate it.
You're welcome. Six, 5, 2, 3, 4, 8. State versus Alan Rivas, attorney. Derek Ritchie.
I'm here, Your Honor. I'm here on behalf of Mr. Ritchie. And I don't see Mr. Alan Rivas in the Zoom. If you're here, Alan, if you could just say that you're present.
I'm sorry, but who is speaking? I don't.
Oh, I'm sorry, Your Honor. It's right over here, Weston Eisman.
You are an attorney?
Yes, sir. I'm an associate with Mr. Ritchie.
Weston, how do you spell the last name?
It's Eismann.
From the northern Mexico, Weissman, huh?
Perhaps.
Don't tell it. Okay, Mr. Eisman, you're here for Ritchie. Did you find Alan?
Yeah, I just announced to see if he was here. Alan, if you're on, please say if you're present or not. But I did need to confer with the state if I could do that, and then we can also reach out to our client and get him on here.
I would suggest that you should. 6, you're going to be on the list for conferring, you said?
Yes, Your Honor. I would like to confer with the state, and I can reach out to my client right now and see if he can get on here.
You need to. 652-543, state versus LeJane Lyons, and that is.
Yes, Your Honor. How are you?
I am well. How are you doing?
I'm fine. I believe Ms. Lyons should be signed on. I know I sent her the deal and she's the link. and she's
Present,
very
Judge.
good.
Good morning.
Good
If I
morning.
might have a breakout with the state for just one moment.
Okay, you're on the list.
And if I might talk to Ms. Lyons while I'm waiting to do that.
Of course. Patricia, would you place them in breakout? 652-960, state versus Sean Meehan, and that is Adrian Perez's attorney.
Present, Your Honor.
Is that Mr. Meehan or Mr. Perez?
Yes, I'm Sean Meehan, Your Honor.
Good morning to you, Mr. Meehan. Have you heard from your attorney?
He should be in the meeting. I'm not sure if he's running late.
I agree he should be. Apparently he's not at this point. 653, stick around.
Yes, sir,
230, state versus Alexandra Hernandez Puebla.
Presente, señor.
Ah, bueno, es Alejandro. Disculpe.
Está bien.
¿Ya ha comunicado con su abogado, Ivan Barrera?
Sí.
Yes, Judge, I'm here.
All right. What are you
And-
doing with him, Ivan?
Judge, can I please confer?
All right. Do you have any others, Ivan?
Yes, Judge. On page number 6 at the very bottom, 661522.
There he is. 661522. State versus Juan Peña Casares.
President, Your Honor.
Good morning to you. Okay.
Good morning.
I've listed anything else, Ivan?
Yes, Judge. Got 2 more on page number 7, 662340.
662340. That is Crystal Blunt.
Good morning. I'm present, Your Honor.
Good morning to you, ma'am.
And on the next page, Judge, page number 8, 665832.
665832, State versus Christopher Thomas.
Good morning, Your Honor. I'm present.
All right. All right, you may confer on your cases, Mr. Butler. Anything else?
That's it, Judge.
Very good. 653600, State versus Jesney Lugo. Attorney Brian de la Rosa.
Present.
Morning, Your Honor.
Good morning.
We should have a plea set to go, Your Honor. We put in the paperwork, I believe, back in August.
All right. That means it might be ready, huh?
Yeah, possibly.
Yes, sir.
Hey, so I found it for you, sir.
Okay.
It was on an email from
653890, State versus Damon Thomas and attorney John Charles Bunk. Damon Thomas. Damon Thomas. Absent. Charles Bunk. No response from the attorney. Scheduled for 1:30. 654098, State versus Reynaldo Barrientos, attorney Kelly Green. That'll be recalled at 1:30. 654900.
Judge, I'm sorry, I'm here for Kelly. This is Bob Behrens.
Okay, that is scheduled for 1:30, Judge.
Oh, it is? Oh, okay.
Yeah, just no problem. That's why I call him, because sometimes people get confused. But I'll be recalling it at 1:30, Judge.
I'm also here for Kevin Cuellar. I think you already called him.
I believe you did. I'll come back around and recall it, Judge.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome. 654900 and 654901, State versus Marisa Perez, attorney Carissa Chelkowski.
Good morning, Judge. We're present and my client is also present.
Good morning to you, ma'am.
We are still waiting for videos. It's a Via Transit and also Castle Hills PD arrest. And so we're still waiting on the videos from multiple agencies.
You got 2 good strikes, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, strike 1, Castle Hill, strike 2.
Exactly,
Got anything
yes.
else going on? Ms. Chelkowski, let's say we reset this approximately 45 days.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
Patricia, do you want to confer anything on this?
Not, I would rather get the videos before we start conferring, Judge.
I hear you. I understand. 655125. State versus Christopher Reina, attorney Jeffrey Mulliner.
Good morning, Your Honor. Mr. Reyna is in your courtroom. He has a warrant. I was hoping you could hold him close by and allow me to approach after the docket is called, approach you. I've got a motion on file which details everything I'd like to talk to you about. It's been filed Friday, but it hasn't been accepted by the clerk's office yet. And finally, I'm asking for permission to go announce in the 175th and come back to you.
Of course. So, I don't know, Patricia, was the warrant recalled?
It was a bond increase that you issued, Your Honor.
I know, but my docket shows that the fugitive status may have been changed. I'm just.
No, Judge. Is that on Christopher Reyna?
Yes.
I think that the fugitive warrant is out of the new case, the 672-356.
Okay. All right. Well, we'll be holding him, Jeff. You come back as soon as you can.
Thank you, Judge. I'll be back. Thank you.
You're welcome. 656.
Judge, this is Carissa Cholkowski. May my client and I be excused?
Yes, ma'am. Of course.
Okay, thank you, Judge. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. 65667, State versus Raul Martinez. And that is Gail Calderola. Gail Calderola, no response. Raul Martinez. Absent. 658029, State versus Ruby Riojas. Attorney Robert Marr.
I'm present, Your Honor.
Have we got anything from Robert, Patty?
No, Judge. I'll check.
Your Honor, I spoke to Robert this morning and he did say he would be running late.
Hey.
Patty, I sent you a chat.
658166, State versus Valdemar Luna. Mr. Luna has a warrant, 2 warrants for his arrest. Attorney is Tony Hernandez. Tony Hernandez, no response. Valdemar Luna is consistent. 658528, State versus Laura Valadez, pardon me. Attorney Monica Tirala.
Good morning, Judge. She is present with counsel, and if I can be put in line to confer with the state on this one.
Absolutely.
I also have another one on page 7, if we can address that one.
Of course.
And that's going to be cause number 663096, Desiree Reyes. She is also present. Ms. Reyes, if you'll announce.
This shows Daniel Rodriguez is hired.
Yes, sir. So he's with my office and he's in Kirk County this morning, so I'm subbing in for him. Miss Reyes has felonies pending, and so if we can just get a reset on that.
Judge, that's getting reset for January 25th, 2022.
Thank you, ma'am. And then may Miss Reyes be excused?
Reyes, Patty?
Desiree Nicole Reyes, yes, sir.
Okay.
Good.
Let me get, and you want his?
He's out on bond?
Yeah.
Yeah, yes, please.
All right, so back to Valadez. What did you want to do with that, Ms. Corrala?
I need to confer with the state on that one.
I got you. Yes, ma'am. I noted that. Thank you.
Thank you.
659580, State versus.
There you go.
Matthew Rodriguez, attorney. David Cuellar.
Yes, sir. I'm here.
Good morning, Mr. Cuellar.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. What are you doing this morning? Mr. Cuellar? David Cuellar, no response.
Judge, the defendant answered, not Mr. Cuellar.
I hear you. Mr. Rodriguez, stick around until your attorney shows up. 659619, State versus Gerardo Falcon.
Good morning, Your Honor. John Robertson for Mr. Falcone. He's present also, and we have a felony pending that is currently set December 6th.
All right, we'll reset it for the same date.
All righty. Will we be excused, Your Honor?
Yes, of course.
All right, have a good day.
You too. Stay safe. 660-568. State versus Keenan, England.
Good morning, Your Honor. He is Mr. England. This is Javier Padilla. Mr. England is in custody, but he has 3 felonies pending. There's also an issue with issues of identity, so we need some more time to try to resolve that issue.
What do you think, Patty? 60 days might do it?
Yes, sir.
You have 60-day reset, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor. May I be excused?
Yes, you are.
Thank you.
660-697, State versus David Smith Gomez.
Good morning, Your Honor. My client should be online. I have been working with DA Catherine Reed on a discovery issue. I'd like to see if I could visit with her this morning.
All right, sir. Mr. Stevenson.
It's good to see you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Same here. I'm glad you're safe and healthy. Put you in on the list for conferring. 660. You're welcome. 660-761, State versus Juan Uribe. Attorney Colin Hobbs.
I'm present on that, Your Honor, and my client is present. He's not listed under his name, though. He's under, let's see, I had him just a second ago, Galaxy A02S.
Okay.
And hoping to confer with the state on that. I don't have a preference between which one, whoever's case it is.
Okay, stick with me a moment. My computer decided to take a, there we are. All right, you are on the list to confer, Mr. Stevenson. Oh, I'm sorry, Mr. Cobbs also.
Thank you, Judge.
Follow Stevenson. 661-461, State versus Allison Martinez Sauceda, attorney. Alberto Pérez.
Yes, I'm here, Judge. The courtroom, and my client is by Zoom. My client has a felony pending out of the 187th District Court, so I would just ask for an extension in this court.
Felony pending, 187th, you said.
Yes, Your Honor.
We'll reset you 60 days approximately. You got that?
Yes, sir.
Judge, I don't know why you skipped Brian Lee on Tiveros. James Toshi's 3 cases right above.
I had, we talked about Martinez Sauceda, I just called.
No, Brian Lee on Tiveros. He has 3 cases right above, immediately above.
Cases number 660-773, 774, and 775. State versus Brian Ontiveros, attorney James Tochi.
I'm here, sir.
Good morning, Judge. I'm here as well. I'm not sure which prosecutor is handling Mr. Ontiveros' cases, but I'd like to have a dialogue with them this morning if I could.
All right. We're not going to let you confer. You're going to have a dialogue.
That's right.
How's DQ and the little ladies?
They're all doing well. They're in school, and EQ is starting her new job today. So
yeah,
say some prayers.
Where is she working?
She's over in that civil probate world now, Judge. She's completely switched gears.
Very good.
Yes.
661. Good to see you, Jim. Take care. We'll put you on the list. 661-619. State versus Carlos Coppins, attorney. Timothy Roundtree.
Yes, this is Carlos, Judge. I'm here. I'm present.
Tim Roundtree.
He actually did message me saying that he would be late.
Okay. Also note. 661-832, State versus Guillermina Puente, attorney Russell Mitchell. Guillermina Puente, absent. Russell Mitchell, no better. 662259, State versus Jordan Gonzalez, attorney Michael Goins.
Yes, Your Honor. I have Mr. Gonzalez in the courtroom, Judge.
I'm sorry?
I have Mr. Gonzalez in the courtroom.
Okay, thank you. And Mr. Goins.
Your Honor, we currently have a felony pending out of the 290th. We do not have a court date at this time.
All right, we'll reset you 60 days.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You and Mr. Gonzalez are excused.
Your Honor, may I be excused and my client be excused?
Now, who's asking?
This is Albert Chidas. I'm in the courtroom, Your Honor. My client's by Zoom. It's Allison Martinez Saucedo. She's the felony pending.
All right, did I announce it already?
You did, Your Honor.
All right, then you should be excused. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. 662-446, State versus Luz Escamilla, attorney Gary Hillier.
Judge, I'm present for Mr. Hillier. He's in Kerrville today. This is Jay Norton. Ms. Escamilla has been accepted to pretrial diversion and I believe has started off last week.
All right, so then we don't need to do anything, do we?
Yes, sir.
All right, Jay, thank you for announcing.
You're welcome, sir. And I have one other individual.
Let me know. Tell me his case number.
667786, Piero Vega, and he is present on the Zoom, Your Honor.
667786.
And Judge, we'd like just to ask for a reset on this. The complainant in the case has contacted us and is wants to give us a waiver of prosecution. I think would help with, as Jim Tochi would say, dialogue with the state.
You guys are feeling risque today, huh? Dialogue later. All right, let's give you 30 days, huh?
Sir, thank you. And may Ms. Escamilla and Mr. Vega be excused?
They are excused.
Okay, you can go, Luz. Thank you, Judge. Y'all have a wonderful day.
You too.
Thank
Stay
you.
safe.
You're Mr. Norton. Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
Patty, I chatted you.
Thank you, Linda.
663080, in jail. State versus Salvador Gonzalez Almaguer. Attorney Flavio Hernandez.
Good morning, Judge.
Good morning.
This Mr. Almaguer has a felony pending. If I may speak with him, if that's possible. If not, I'd like a reset to let me work on that felony. We do have an offer.
I didn't order him, Judge. He's not on screen.
Okay. Let me give you 45 days, Flavio.
Thank you.
They'll give you time to go see him and see what you need to do or to get on the computer with him.
Yes, sir.
Hey, Judge,
Thank you, Judge.
before you move to the next one, I'm in a breakout room for Juan Uribe. This is Colin Hobbs. I don't suspect we're going to be moving the case today since he's present and I'm waiting to confer, and that might be a bit. Can he be excused?
And Mr. Uribe, what's the case number?
That is 660761, Your Honor.
761.
He probably was a page or two ago. I haven't been in the breakout room for very long.
It's just the previous. Okay, Mr. Titus. It's Martinez Sauceda?
No, it's Juan Uribe, Your Honor. Uribe.
Let's see. There he is. All right, Mr. Uribe, you're excused. Your attorney will be doing some work for you and he'll be in touch.
It looks like he's audio's messing up, but I'll have my office call him. Thanks, Judge.
All right. Let's see. The following case has been reset. ¿Verdad, Patricia?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Getting the page.
I don't know what page. Are you on page 8?
I'm starting page 8.
Okay.
663-193 State versus Justin Larque. Lark.
Present, Your Honor.
Yes, you can go.
Is you don't have an attorney? Have you hired an attorney?
So I did get a message from my previous attorney. She did withdraw from my case, I guess, due to new employment. She said that I would be provided with another appointed attorney.
Did you qualify for an appointment before? Did you have an appointed attorney, Patty?
No. Well, I'm checking. I'm trying to log into the computer, Judge, because I guess Mocha is down. It won't let me. I was trying to look up something for Linda Corley, and it's not letting me. So I can't log on to look up to see if Mr. Larkey has had a previous court-appointed attorney right now.
Ms. Larkey, you're going to have to wait a little while till we see how this shakes out.
Yes, sir.
You're not able to hire an attorney yourself?
No, sir. I would need an appointment.
All right. We'll see whether you have to reapply or not.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
663-394 State versus William Lopez, attorney. Sean Brown.
Good morning, Judge. Brian Oriole from Mr. Brown's office. Mr. Lopez is in the courtroom.
Ms. Castillo, can you verify that?
Yes, sir. He's here in the courtroom.
Very good. And Mr. Oriole, what are you going to be doing this morning?
And Judge, on this case, I requested the co-ban videos. We had the body cam, but did not have the co-ban at the last setting. We've received one set of the co-ban. The state looks like is still getting the other set of co-ban for the other officer. So if we can, it seems to be just a short time period to get the rest of the videos. So if we could just have one more pretrial reset so I can get these videos to review them with Mr. Lopez.
We'll give you 30 days and that's it.
Okay.
All right, sir.
May we be excused and may Mr. Lopez be excused, Judge.
Yes, sir. Both of you are excused. Mr. Lopez, you're excused, Deputy. 663-933 State versus Stephanie Barron and attorney Randall Reiner.
Judge, can you hear me?
I can hear you.
Okay, good, because I'm on a backup mic. She's present. She has a felony pending. I am not appointed on the felony, but it's in the unindicted state, so a 60-day reset probably be appropriate.
I'm present, Your Honor.
Morning. Felony pending. 60-day reset.
Thank you, Judge. May we both be excused.
You are both excused.
Thank you, Judge.
You'll get a date from Ms. Garcia.
Yes.
665209 State versus Kathy Duncan, attorney. Do you
Judge,
have
I am present. Morning, sir. This is Linda Corley.
Ms. Duncan, have you hired an attorney because you were not apparently
Judge.
not.
Yes, Judge, sir. This is Linda Corley. Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
I am announcing for her. We submitted our notice of appearance on the 27th and it was accepted on the 29th.
Okay, I am noting that you are attorney of record. Ms. Corley, what are your wishes this morning?
Judge, we are working on downloading the discovery, so if you could just give us a reset so we can have time to get that.
How much time?
Judge, if we could just have a regular 30-day setting, that would be helpful.
Oh, I see. I thought I heard you say, give us a week. And I said, wow, that's quick.
I said regular reset. I need to enunciate, don't I, Judge?
Yes, ma'am. All right. Thank you, ma'am. Y'all are
okay.
Both
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. 665348, State versus DeAndre Carter. Shows
Yes, Your
to be a fugitive with a warrant. Mr. Carter?
Yes, Your Honor, this is Leslie Sofimovich here. I believe he's not a fugitive. I think he's in jail. I looked him up on Friday. He's got two other felonies pending. So, and I tried to look him up this morning, but the system is down. So I'm almost certain he's incarcerated at Fair County Jail.
Okey doke. Then we'll,
If I get a reset from Patty, so.
okay. What are we doing with him, Patty?
Well, like he said, the system is down, Your Honor, so I can't look it up, and I'll just email him this afternoon, new court date.
All right, it'll be reset then.
Thank you, Your Honor. Can I be excused?
Yes, sir, Leslie. Take care. Stay safe.
Thank you, Judge.
665597, State versus Dennis Rivera. Attorney Adam Cortez.
Good morning, Your Honor. He's present with me, and I'd like the opportunity to confer with the state. If you could put me in line, please.
Okay, Mr. Rivera.
Yes, sir.
Good morning to you. Stick around. Your attorney will be doing some work. You confer, you said, Adam?
I'm sorry, Your Honor.
You're conferring?
Please, yes.
665832, State versus Christopher Thomas. Attorney Ivan Barrera, that's already been checked out. 666018, State versus Milton Perez Ibarra with an I. Miguel.
Good morning, Judge.
Good morning.
My client should be logged on. I spoke with him this morning and forwarded him the.
I hear the should be. Hello.
I'm here, President. There he is. There he is.
Good. Now, that's better. He is on. What are
He
you
is
doing
on,
this morning,
Judge.
Miguel?
I just need to confer with the state, Judge.
All right, you are on the list to confer.
Thank you, Judge.
666307, State versus Jason Holder. Attorney and Ashley Morgan.
Good morning, Judge Terry Carter. I'm here for Miss Morgan, and Mr. Holder is on the Zoom as well.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning to you both. Terry, what are you doing this morning?
Good morning, Judge. I have a blood discovery order that we filed this morning. This case was filed on December 30th. So if we could have a reset to acquire those blood records, I'd appreciate it. I believe the order allows for 60 days.
Blood, 60-day reset. And so it shall be, because they are notoriously slow, as you know. How slow can you go?
Thank you, Judge.
Right.
May we be excused?
Yes, you may.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Take care. 666353. Well, that's a poker hand. Dalton Schultz, the attorney, Mark LaHood.
Judge, I'm here for Mr. LaHood, and Mr. Schultz is online with us this morning.
Justin Folks.
Yes, Your Honor. I've been conferring with the state. It looks like this is going to be a dismissal, Judge. I was just wondering if I could get either a short reset or just maybe going with the state to see if they're ready to tender that this morning.
Anybody from state ready to announce on Mr. Schultz?
They're both conferring, Judge.
Okay. You want to stick around?
I'll stick around, Judge, yeah.
Should I put him in a breakout room, Judge?
Yeah, I'll put him in a breakout room. Page 9, 666596, State versus Ivan Marinani or Matinane, one of the two.
I'm present, Judge.
Who's the attorney?
Cornelius Cox.
Okay, well, Mr. Cox, Cornelius Cox
Yes.
is not responding. And how do you pronounce your last name?
Matanani.
Matinani? All right. Well, stick around until Mr. Cox shows up, please.
Okay, yes, Judge.
667-413, State versus Angel Rogers. Attorney Michael Dominic, I'm sorry.
Good morning, Judge.
Good morning.
Judge.
Angel's present as well.
I
She's
hear
got a felony pending in the 175th on November 9th. So could we just get a reset for that?
Well, I don't have much choice, I don't think. We'll give you a 60-day reset.
Judge, will we be excused?
Yes, sir, you're both excused.
Thank you. Y'all have a great day.
You too. 670-184, State versus Selena Wright, and the attorney is Monica Guerrero.
I'm present, Your Honor. I have had no contact with her. I don't have a contact number that works. I don't believe she's on the Zoom either.
Okay, she'll be absent and a failure to appear.
Thank you, Your Honor. May I be excused?
Yes, you may. Take care. Stay safe.
Thank you.
670-448, State versus Lindsay Strilka.
I'm present, Your Honor.
Your attorney is William Davidson.
Yes, Your Honor. This is William Davidson. I was going to ask for a short reset because I also have two district courts I'm supposed to be in this morning to work out some pleas. And I was going to suggest that I could confer with the DA and then come back after a short reset with whatever the offer might be.
Okay, now you want to confer today or you want to be excused to go to other courts?
Yes, Your Honor. I wanted to be excused to go to other courts and then confer and then come back another day.
Well, can we recall him 2 weeks, Patty? Patricia.
Sorry, yes, sir, November 15th.
Okay, you got November 15th, Mr. Davidson.
Thank you, Your Honor. May I be excused?
Yes, sir, you may.
Thank you.
Stay safe.
Your Honor. Thank you.
670-573 in jail.
Judge, I'm gonna, on that one, I'm gonna reassign it since Miss Lee is no longer on the list.
Okay. How much time are we gonna give them? Well, you'll take care of that, right?
Yes, sir.
670-624. State versus Monica Ramirez.
Your Honor, the docket shows Kirk Sherman, but I believe I was recently appointed on that case and two others for this defendant.
And
He's
who
on
are
the
you?
Zoom.
Hello, who is it? Who's the attorney?
Brenda Levenstein.
Oh, okay, Brenda.
I spoke to her this morning, Your Honor, and she said that she's in court and she'll get back to me.
All right. And what do you wish to, you were just now appointed on it, Brenda?
Well, no,
It appears
was
to have a
recently.
felony pending also.
Could I get a reset to figure out what's happening and look at the discovery?
Of course. I'll give you 60 days since there's a felony pending.
Okay.
See how you talked me into that?
Yeah, it was very easy. How did I do that?
Other person.
I have another case too, but you'll get to it eventually.
Already got, oh, there it is. 670-669, State versus Janet Woods, Brenda
Yes.
Levenstein.
And she's in the courtroom.
What room? All right,
Yes. I'd like to confer with the state.
okay. And so it shall be.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. We're on the list. 670-648. State versus Andrew Martinez. No attorney.
He's here in the courtroom, Judge.
All right. Mr. Martinez, are you gonna hire a lawyer?
No, Your Honor.
Pardon me?
No, court reporting?
All right, you're gonna have to fill out an application. If you qualify, the court will appoint an attorney. If you don't qualify, you'll have to hire one. Deputy, will you see that he gets an application?
I'll give him one, Judge.
670-691, State versus Megan Emery, no attorney. Megan Emery. Megan Emery is absent. 670-664, State versus Sandra Fonder. And the attorney is Joanne De Hoyos. Ms. Fonder is currently in jail. Joanne De Hoyos, judge. No response from the judge. And Sandra Fonder, she's sitting in jail. All right. I think, thank God, that's our last call for this morning.
Your Honor.
Yeah. Attorneys that need to check in that did not show up promptly at 9.
Robert Maurer, Judge, I sent you an email this morning. I had live court. I am here to confer on free defendants.
Okay, let's start off with your first one. Which one is the case number?
Case number would be 658029 on a Ruby Riojas.
658 029. That is on page 5. Okay. We had a note that you'd be late. All right. Now, Ruby Riojas, what you gonna do?
I'd like to confer with one of the persecutors, Judge, if they're available and it's not too crazy of a line.
I like the way you enunciate. Yes, we'll set you up with one of the persecutors. What other cases do you have so I can put you in on all of them?
646-862 on a Adela Pacina.
646. You're not in numerical order, huh?
Oh, no. I'm scrambling to get organized on a Monday morning.
646-862. You have more, right?
Yes, sir. I have one more. It's and this one, Judge, I will probably want to reset because he has a felony pending. Your case number should be 637773 on a Brian Roberto Contreras Perez.
There he is. And he's got he's got 2 felonies pending. Reset 60 days.
Perfect. Thank you, Judge. And I will confer on the other ones, I guess, if you want to send me to a breakout room.
I will do so, or at least Ms. Garcia will.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. All right. Thank you, Robert.
Judge, may I approach? It's George Sherman.
George Sherman, case number.
I have a case. It's on the second page of your docket sheet here.
639976, State versus James Franco.
Yes, sir. I'm selecting a jury down the hall here. So I'm asking that we be allowed to confer over the phone later.
All right, we'll just give you at this point a 30-day reset since you are in trial. However, be aware that Mr. Franco did not respond.
Again, that's
George,
the only thing that I have with you, Judge.
Yeah, be aware that James Franco did not answer.
He did not appear. Okay, I'll check with my secretary on that, Judge, later today, and I'll get back with you on that.
You know, you'll have 1 week, George.
Yes, sir.
All righty.
Thank you.
Take care on your trial. Good luck.
Your Honor, may I approach? It's David Volk.
David Volk.
How are you, sir? I conferred with Ms. Haas on my 3 cases.
Let's hear some numbers.
642-473 for Scott Ivan.
Hold on. 642-473, David Volk on Scott Ivan. All right, sir.
The state's going to review some of my comments with regarding to whether or not they can wheel my client. And so we were going to ask for 30 days for them to do that.
We said 30 days.
Thank you, Judge. And then on my other case, one of the case numbers is 662-170.
662.
The first one is 646-924, Judge.
Oh, sorry about that. He's got 2 cases, Judge. 646-924, Christopher Castañeda.
Page 3.
There it is. All right.
And Judge, we were going to make application to transfer to County Court 1 for DWI court consideration. And we'll let you know the outcome of that process if it resolves the cases or not.
How much time do we need on that, Patty?
I don't know. How long do you think it's going to take, Mr. Volk?
Usually it takes around 30 to 45 days with the application, the review, the staffing, and then the offer. They're usually pretty quick, but it's not a 1 week process. It takes more coordination than that.
Okay, we'll give you 45 days then.
Okay, Judge.
You got another case, right?
No, that's it, Judge.
All right.
May my 2 clients be excused?
They are excused. Thank you.
Thank you.
Here on time, Dave.
Thank you, Judge. Have a good one.
Good morning, Your Honor. May I approach?
Jeb Locke?
Shannon Locke.
Shannon Locke.
Oh.
We got 2 locks.
Block next, please, Judge.
We had a
We're really secure today. We got 2 locks.
house full of locks.
Shannon Locke.